Hello everyone. We are going to start the demonstration for BondPOS Gold Plan now, F&B. So F&B Gold Plan will first show you how to upgrade. So this was the BondPOS Silver Plan. We'll just close this right now. We'll double click on BondPOS icon and we click on ADMIN 1234. And we go to admin, and here we change plan. So what happens is, once you choose a gold plan, you need to pay for that. When you click on pay, it takes you again to BondPOS website. Here you need to choose the gold plan, and you need to complete the payment process. Once you finish the payment process, all you need to do is you need to click on get confirmation, because you need to use the same email ID once you're purchasing or upgrading the gold plan. So the system will go to the database and it will verify your plan upgraded successfully, because I've already paid for this, so we upgraded it. The plan is successfully upgraded. If you have not made the payment, it will show the plan is not upgraded yet. So you need to make the payment. Once the payment is processed, that is when you can upgrade it. So now if you want to make changes to the admin or the POS, you can do those changes. If not, then you can continue the credentials applied and you need to restart the software. So now the software will start. It'll start in the gold plan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now once you click 1, 2, 3, 4, this dashboard opens up, which was there in the silver plan also. But in the silver plan, we'll now go to the document master and we'll create driver's license, and we'll create something called resume. Now the gold plan, it comes with the complete HRM, human resource management, integrated into it. We have already seen all of these modules. We haven't seen the employee module. So employee module, what it does is you can choose a shift, you can create an employee here with the designation, base salary, PF, ESI, whatever. You can create their username, password. So once you have entered all the information, you can go click on the driver's license and upload the documents. Take a picture of the driver license, upload. You can upload a resume. If they have emailed you a resume in doc form or PDF form, you can save those documents here. Coming back to the table master, you can we'll need to change first in the admin panel. We'll go to path configuration and okay, we have it here. So we go back to the masters, and what we do is we have categories, subcategories, raw material, menu. Here we have something new called recipe master. Now what you can do is you can create for a personal pizza, for example, you want to make a veg pizza, and you can choose the category and the ingredients, and you can say quantity, let's say tomato 200 grams. It will automatically show the price of 200 grams or 100 grams tomato is required. So you can add a product, and similarly you can add 2, 3, 4, 5 products, and it will tell you the cost of the product. What is the production cost? So this way you can create a recipe for every single product. Once you save the recipe, you can go to this recipe search, or you can export data. You can export the recipes from here into an Excel sheet and then create recipes for maybe 100 more products. Recipe and save. So you can create 100 more products in the Excel sheet and import them. You don't have to manually enter each product recipe here, because that will be too much time consuming. So you can export recipe here. Similarly, you can go to the raw material master, and you can export from here. You can export the raw material, which was not there in the silver plan. It is there in the gold plan. So you can export the raw material, you can export the recipe, you can export the menu items from here. You can export all of these and create all the products in the Excel sheet, and you can now import them into the system once and together. All of these buttons we have already seen. We'll go to the transaction. Here we have something new called the vendor payment, which was not there in the silver plan. So vendor payment, any vendor you owe any money, you can choose the vendor from here. You can choose their purchase order number, and you can choose the invoice number. Against this PO, what was the invoice number, what is the outstanding amount, and what you can do is you can either pay check or cash. And if you have created a bank, you can choose the bank here and put the information and save the information. So you can make payments to the vendors here. This we have already seen covered in the silver plan. In the admin panel, what extra we have is event email. So what is event email? Event email is, let's say you have a chain of stores and you have about 100 stores. Hold on one second, the connection got disconnected. We'll come back. Okay, we are back. So what happens is, if you have a chain of stores, maybe you have 20, 30, 50 or 100 stores, all the stores are listed here. You can choose all the outlets together, or you can choose independently, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are launching a special combo for Valentine's, or special combo for any event, Christmas, New Year, anything, so you can create a subject here that we are, let's say we are doing it for demo store, new combo for Valentine's, and we write any message. And you can attach a file if in case you have created a marketing promo or something for a particular combo or something. You can attach a file or remove file from here, and what you can do is you can send this email from here. It's not sent because we have not configured the SMTP server. SMTP configuration needs to be done from here. So once you click here, the email is sent from this system to all the 100 or 50 or 60 outlets, whatever you have. You can send a mass email from this system to all the outlets you have. And all they need to do is they read your instructions, that this is the attachment we are sending, please print it in A3 size, put it on the window, and the target is to sell 50 combos in a week. This starts from this day, ends on this day. So whatever changes needs to be done, you can do it from the back end, and you can send this email. Here is the SMTP configuration: user ID, password, host, port, and display name. SSL and HTML, whatever you needs to do. Then is the raw material import, menu import, and recipe import. Now you can import all the things from here. Here is the web user. If you want to view the reports online, so this comes with the cloud-based reporting system. You can create a choose an outlet, and you can create a user. Uh, you can create a username. Let's say demo2 user, and you can create the password. Let's say 12345, and you can enter the password again 12345, and authentication type, whatever kind of authentication you want to give to them. I want to give admin access, so I can save this. So now this user can go online and view the reports online. This is the table configuration. So what we'll do is, this is the outlet, and let's say we save this data and we get data. Auto login is auto login. Okay. So shift reopen. Somebody closes the shift by mistake. You can open the shift. Recipe configuration. Receipt configuration. You can actually configure the receipt if you want to. And here is the thing where you can upgrade the plan to the gold plan. No, you already in gold plan, so you don't need to upgrade. Here you can see a lot of additional reports. Whatever reports you want to see, vendor wise purchase order and GST input output, purchase PO close report, bill wise summary, void order summary, weekly details of the sale. From this, you can define, you can actually see every week by week, in a month, like how many, in 4 weeks, how's the progress of the outlet and the sales. So you can see a lot of details, analysis, tax report, and everything here. A lot of reports which are there in gold plan, but they are not there in silver plan. So it's worth every penny once you upgrade from a silver plan to the gold plan. Now we will go back to the screen and we'll go to POS. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we open the POS screen, and just like the silver plan, we can start selling in the gold plan also. So if you you have personal pizza, you have medium pizza, you have burgers, you have cold drink, and you have combo. So all the items here. If you remember the name of the customer, you can just enter the customer name 12121212, and click enter. If the customer exists, it will open immediately. If the customer is not there, you can add the customer. So we do this, and the customer is automatically here. You go to search item and you say, let's say you want to see veg. So you click OK. All the products which are veg or non-veg, because this one also has veg name. If you want to make change, you can just put a hyphen in between, non-hyphen veg, so it will not show here. But because this is a veg word here and this is a veg word, it shows here. If you want to see a product which has a name burger, so you click here, you will see the burger. So everything which is green is veg, everything which is red is a non-veg product, so you can check that from here. And that's pretty much it for the gold plan. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us. Let's see if we can open. Yeah, it's so this is the cashier screen, which once you are issuing the cards to the customer, a prepaid card, a debit card, like a food court system. So what you can do is you can click on charge, swipe the card. Let's say card number is 12345, and or it says 6-digit card number should be 6-digit, so we do 6-digit card number. So card does not exist in the database. First you need to create the cards in the database. So you can do the customer first name, last name, mobile number. If you want to put this information, cash, credit card or debit card, and you can charge the card, you can recharge the card if the customer comes back, you can refund the card, you want to check the balance of the card, you can transfer the money from one card to another card. You know, this is the old card balance, new card balance. So you can transfer the money, or you can open the cash drawer from here. If somebody needs to open a cash drawer, you can open the cash drawer from here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like the product. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call us at or send us an email at support@bondpos.com. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.